Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian Myers from Fat American Manufacturing and Lean by Doing. On April 7th, I'm coming to Siouxland to come to your Lean conference and speak in front of all of you guys. Let me tell you more about that. I am really passionate about Lean, but I'm also really passionate about talking to practitioners like myself. I spend every single day out here on the shop floor improving my team's work, making it easier, making it faster, making it more lean. So here's your opportunity, April 7th, Dordt University, Siouxland Lean Consortium, Lean Conference. Get signed up early, bring your team, bring your neighbors, bring your mom, anyone that could benefit from seeing Lean. I've taken a business from a struggling batch and queue traditional style manufacturing to a world-class Lean facility. We have transformed our people, we have transformed our processes, we have transformed our products, and I am looking forward to telling you guys more about all the exciting things that are happening here at Fat American Manufacturing.